If you want to entertain your children with 3D printing or frustrate some of your friends, let's look at the ball pyramid game. You can print this ball pyramid game on one build plate on a bambulab P1S or P1P. No supports are required. Some assembly will be needed after it's printed. I'll have a link in the description below to Make a World where I got this game from. First of all, after we've printed, we need to assemble it. Let's get into that. Now that all the pieces are glued together, let's assemble this pyramid. Start with this first piece, second piece, third piece, fourth, fifth, and finally there. Pyramid is fully assembled. Quick game, should entertain your kids for quite some time unless they look on the internet on how to solve the game. We're also entertaining for friends. Catch you all on the next one. If you like this video, please look at some of my other videos around 3D printing. They should be in the corners on the left and right. Catch you all on the next one. Thanks for watching.